This is how we turn a Toyota Land Cruiser into a rally beast. Step by step, nothing left stock. Step 1, strip it down. We remove the entire interior and install a full roll cage. Safety first, always. Step 2, upgrade the suspension. We modify each corner to fit 2 shock absorbers per wheel. Maximum control, no matter the terrain. Step 3, new wheels, new game. We replace the stock wheels with reinforced rims built for impact, because weak wheels don't survive rallies. Step 4, rock protection. We install custom guards to protect the engine, the suspension from flying stones and debris. Every hit counts. Step 5, engine, rebuilt from scratch. We redo the whole powertrain for one goal, fiability. No power if it doesn't finish. This isn't just a Land Cruiser, it's a weapon, built for the world's toughest rallies. Follow us to see it in action.